Hi everyone, this is Julie here in Boulder, Colorado, and I have with me the brand new Super Ciaga that Nikken just put out. This drink is extraordinary. It is very, very bright and powerful. It is full of antioxidants. The ORAC value is over double what it was in the old Ciaga, so it's really amazing. And it still has that incredible Mackay berry that comes from Chile, where the Indians were never ever defeated because they ate those berries and was so strong. This is packed with goodness all the way through. And here's what I did as a recipe yesterday and today to show you what's possible with how you can use this. This was a jello idea that I had. So first I took the Ciaga and 50% Ciaga, 50% water, and I added in agar-agar. Agar is a natural sea vegetable gelatin. It's vegan, vegetarian. Macrobiotic people use it all the time, and so this is how I know about agar-agar. It's wonderful for jello instead of regular gelatin. Then I let that set in the fridge, and then I did another creation with almond milk creamer, which is the most delicious thing ever, got to tell you, except for the Ciaga. Mixed a little Ciaga with it and did a second layer. Now, then I added that in. Now with the pans, just to make sure you can get the jello out of your pans, I used a little coconut oil spray, so that just makes it easy to, once it's set, to take it out of the mold. So this is what I created, and as you can see, I added in kumquats, raspberries, grapes, this mango that I made, which is a special mango cream made with mango and water. And it's layered, as you can tell, and then the strawberries and raspberries and blueberries, blackberries, and I had a lot of fun doing this. It is my daughter's birthday today and my son's birthday on Tuesday, so now I have lovely things to take with me. And this one has got the hearts and it says hugs and cute, I love you, hugs and kisses and love. And I love Nikken. I've been with Nikken 23 years and I love it. Thank you, Nikken, for this phenomenal new Super Ciaga. Everybody, you're going to love it. And take a hug for you today. Thank you so much for listening.